Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry you guys can't see me, but I'm here in Atlanta. My camera's showing backwards, so there I am. I wanted to get on here and share a testimony real quick, a success story of my program. One of my mentees, I want her to just share her progress. Now, how long have we been working together?
Oh, about 3 months now at this point. We've been
Okay,
working it.
so tell them who you are, about your company and your journey so far in the program.
I am 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶. My company is called 𝐂𝐎𝐍𝐶 LLC. We are here in Kansas City, Missouri. Like I said, I've been with Miss Karen working together for about 3 months, and it has been amazing. She first started me with this program that we're working on, the Clean Guru, for a bid on my first building. Totally easy to work. She completely helped me through everything. I got the bid together and I won the building. So now I've been in this building almost a month. Um, and obviously they like what we do. They have offered me 2 more buildings.
Yay! That's amazing.
It is amazing, and I am
And,
just
and tell them
excited.
about what else, other opportunity they had given you.
Oh, wow. Um, they're an amazing company, to start with, I can say that. Um,
So
so
let's give a synopsis on what your monthly revenue is going to look like with this one first client.
with my one first client, my first monthly revenue is hitting just about at 3 grand a month.
No, I mean total. It's going to be like 10,000 a month.
With the when I get into my other two, it will be really close to that. Yes,
Uh-huh.
it
That's what I'm
will.
talking about.
It will. So
Yeah,
the
don't minimize it. That was the
I
first
know
one,
that
and the
was the
other
first.
buildings are bigger than the first one.
Yes.
So,
So yeah, when the more square footage mean a little bit more change. And I'm real happy about
congratulations.
that. Um,
Congratulations.
I have had a total smooth journey with Miss Karen. I have had a totally smooth journey. She is completely always there. I can call her. If she can't pick up, I can just wait and get that call back. Always there, totally supportive, totally knowledgeable. I follow directions. I listen real good and execute. Now
Yes,
I
you
have 3
did.
buildings in a month. Yes, ma'am.
Wish I could be on camera. I
Yes,
can't.
ma'am.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that because
And long distance, that always gets me because it's long distance, you and I. And so you do amazing work over the phone and over Zoom.
and actually I got Charles joining us, to my next mentee who I'm about to help. So I'm about to end this video. I wanted to share her testimony, and thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.
And don't forget to listen to what she's telling you. Listen, follow directions. You got this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. Thank you. Talk to you soon.
Yes, ma'am.
All righty.